On the increase in the goods and service tax on essential goods, Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong said that the GST is the principal guideline of the country, but as far as Meghalaya is concerned, the national standard of the central government has to be reviewed so that the state government can decide on the reduction of state taxes.
Iya kan pi ko mo pi markan ni ka min hi ka GST ka long ka principal guideline jong ka India berkowi. Te la pi ong pi kren di ka state pada ka syong hangi hakabale si ngila ka man reduce ka tax. Ka state tax. Haka nung ka form long ko mangila ka haka to por ngila ka petrol. Haka to por mangila ka diesel. Ultimately ngi ya ka state excise duty la jong kamot ihapan reduce. Dia kata kamu pi ngin pecuai ka national standard kumno kile nakaliang jong government of India then the rest nang tangin sa fulumi nakaliang jong state.
Speaking on the boundary issue, Prestone Tynsong said that the completion of the second phase of a solution to the border dispute will depend on the mutual decision of the chief ministers of Assam and Meghalaya. However, he opined that though the process is lengthy, the NPP is firm on permanently resolving the issue, if possible, within the term of the present MDA government.
Proses ke jero. Ni nakalian ke government ni kuat pelat bantik op hak second phase. Tenai kata ka syong hak jing stu jing mut lang armut ki chief minister. Ngi kuat. Tenai kata bangila ne mat pendep kata ngamla ban ong namar ba mentang ila bun kamantar ada ka por election te kataru de ko ring ibu ke priority ban nakaliang hi jong ke party long pi ngi kwa ban resolve ye ni issue khamtam kan ke boundary issue once and for all kata kade ba ngakwa ban pensai kedat nakaliang jong ke NPP ngi kwa e kani ban nakaliang ke MDA ya kan ka phase 1 ke bangladep kelaya kum tu den lei nam ta ke phase 2 ngamnut ban ong la ki partner jungi ki bunjur ne mi kata ngam tak face tu nri ni na kali party ni long bai one mind mat kata kalong ba ni dei ban pendep ya face tu kenang bang ni la on solve 12 areas of difference.